everyone, welcome back to my channel, All About Ash. Before we jump to today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. But in today's video, we're going to be doing sort of a U-part transformation. So I feel like the overall look came out really cute. Pretty much I just ended up finding this old U-part in my stash. It was all choppy and cut up, and I just kind of had to blend some layers to get to this point. If you guys want to see a really quick, easy install and how I was able to cut some layers into this unit, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we are just going to jump right into this hairstyle, as you can see by how my hair is looking. I've already sectioned out my leave out, so I'm going to do a middle part because I always do a middle part. So I have the middle section of my hair parted out, and I just left a little bit on the side because the way I install my U parts, you really don't see too much of the side. I don't know, I don't really use too much of my side hair. But this is the unit that we're using today. So recently I was just going through all my hair and kind of tidying up, and I found this in a box and I was like, what is this? I don't even know where this is from, but you can tell like the chop is really bad. Can you see how it goes from right there to right there? So I had this old U-part laying around a while ago, and I think I tried to do a wolf cut on this. I think that's the name of the cut, but kind of where you put your hair in a ponytail, you cut it, leave some down, put it in a ponytail again, cut it again. So this I think I tried chopping up like a year ago, and I found it again recently. I was like, you know what? I think I can work with this. So let's just go ahead and install the unit. We're going to clip it on. Again, my leave out's already sectioned out, so it's going to be really quick and easy. And hopefully I can just get like some really nice layers out of this unit, because we definitely have to fix this choppy cut. But fingers crossed, I think it might turn out good. Okay, so this is what the unit is looking like when I literally just clip it all into place. And honestly, so far, it's really not bad. I feel like U-part's never really gonna look bad because I feel like it's a really natural unit. This is what the ends are looking like. You can tell I did chop off some of the bottom. But yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna have to finesse this. So I have some of these, I don't even know what this is called, like this razor, but I feel like I'm just going to have to kind of use it right here to really make these really choppy cuts blend into each other. So first things first, I'm just going to separate my actual leave out. This is what we're looking like. I'm honestly a little nervous because cutting isn't really my strong suit, but I don't know. I want it like a curtain bang situation, but I'm not sure if I can really achieve that since my actual leave out, my hair is like right around here. I think I would want the bangs right around here. So I'm not gonna go that short, but I definitely do need to start blending this because this chop is very choppy. I'm just gonna start up here. And drag it down. Okay, that honestly took off a really good amount. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of speed through this process. I'm just going to try to figure this out. I think I'm gonna go back and forth between this tool and just a normal pair of scissors. So we'll see how this cut turns out. Okay, so I feel like I cut the unit enough. Honestly, I'll see more once I actually curl the unit and I see the way the hair is falling. I can probably cut off a little bit more then. But right now, I think that this is good enough for now. So I'm gonna go ahead, take out my leave out. We're gonna press my leave out and then kind of curl all the hair in together and then do some finishing touches, and hopefully it comes out cute. Okay, so I just slightly pressed my leave out. By the way, I've been like moisturizing and sealing my hair and working out all week. So my hair has a bit of product from the moisturizer and the oil. I would definitely recommend doing this on like fresh, clean hair. It's gonna look the best. But since mine is like this, I'm just gonna take a little bit of dry shampoo real quick. Just to freshen up the hair a little bit. Dry shampoo goes a long way. But that's the same one that I told you guys about in my relaxed hair favorites. I think that was like the second from last video. Just Eva NYC, making sure there's like no white. And I think we're good to go. So I'm just gonna take my wand here, the same one I always use. I did not know that this was plugged up. I was about to touch that. Okay, I'm just gonna take this wand and just wrap my hair around, go like that, hold it, let it go. And then we'll see how that turns out, and we'll see if we need to add any more layers into the hair. Okay, so I just finished curling the hair. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna take a comb, just lightly comb out the curls because I just want something like really loose, natural. That's just kind of how I like my hair. Okay, honestly, I feel like the unit's looking pretty good. This is kind of what the bottom's looking like. I think that this might be my favorite U-part install. I'll kind of tell you guys why, even though we're not 100% done. So I really like how the kind of front top layer of the U-part, the length is like the same length of my hair. So it kind of looks more uniform, more together, I should say. Sometimes when I do a U-part and the kind of front pieces are a little bit longer than my hair, it's just like you can see my hair a little bit more and then you see the U-part. So I feel like with those top pieces being a little bit shorter, everything just looks like more blended in together. Hopefully I'm making sense. I can't really explain it, but like I know by like looking at it, I can tell a difference. So let's go ahead and do the finishing touches. So I'm gonna do my edges, a little bit of hairspray, a little bit of oil just to bring everything in together. So let's go ahead and do that. Going with the same edge control, I always use the 24-hour edge tamer. I like this stuff, it works for me, so not gonna switch it up too much, even though I have a couple of edge controls that I go between, but I'm gonna use this one today. And honestly, I'm just gonna do my top edges right here because I don't really plan on pulling back my hair. Honestly, after this video, I'm not going anywhere, so it really doesn't matter. I'm just going to do these top little ones right here. You know what, I might as well just do everything just a little bit. Now I'm just gonna go in with some hairspray. Going in with my Tresemme Extra Hold hairspray. I have a travel size because this is old from when I went to Sweden, but overall this hairspray works really well. Gonna go up here to kind of tame some of those flyaways. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm going in with my Originals by Africa's Best Olive and Clove Hair and Scalp Therapy Oil. I just like to use this as a finishing touch on my hair, but it just smells good, and I like for my hair to have a little bit of a shine, especially like my leave out, so it can blend more with the actual unit. So I'm just gonna take a really small amount of that and just blend it in. Just kind of working that through my hair. I also like to kind of use it to help the ends of my hair blend in with the unit. That's pretty much it. Hey guys, that's pretty much it. That is it for this sort of U-part transformation. I really thought I was going to have to do a lot more to get to this point just because the unit was so choppy when we first started out. But honestly, I think that this razor made it really easy to kind of blend some of those choppy layers in together. I might even go back in and add a couple more layers. I don't want to do too much, but I really do like the way that this turned out. Again, I told you guys I really like how that top layer of the U-part is kind of like the same length as my leave out. So I just feel like it all blends in together a lot better. But that's pretty much it. As you guys can tell, this is why U-parts are like my go-to style. If you don't know what to do with your hair, you need something done really quick, you just want your hair to look put together, a U-part or a ponytail. Those are like my top two. I switch between those all the time. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think about the overall style, how everything came out. Let me show you guys the ends a little bit more. I just think it looks like nice and healthy, you know? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.